What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys my absolute favorite go-to ladder, and that is this little giant right here, and it's actually called the Little Giant. And the reason for that is it's the most durable, it's the most versatile, it's one of the best all-round ladders you're going to come across. And if you're out there looking for a ladder to buy, you're not sure what to get, pretty much this one here is going to allow you to do all your tasks around the house, even on your job sites, with one little simple ladder. So let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. Alright guys, so this here is the ladder that I use on a daily basis. Now it's called the Mega Max from Little Giant. When I shopped around here in Australia, I couldn't find anybody that was selling them for a reasonable price. This is made in the US as far as I'm aware. Here in Australia, the cheapest I could find was about $600, $700, which is pretty expensive for one all-round kind of ladder. I managed to find this at Costco, believe it or not, for about $300, and this was probably about 3-4 years ago, so it might even be cheaper now. And the reason why I absolutely love this ladder is it's not only standard A-frame, it also extends up. Now it sits currently at 1.4 meters, so it's reasonably compact. You can store it away nice and easy. I've got this on the back of my truck every day, but at full extension you can gain up to 5.5 meters, which is unreal. I can get up on all those single story houses, even if they're raised, even some double story, I can climb up on top of those, and I'll show you guys why I love this inside the house. So in this property here, we've got some water damage up on the vaulted ceiling. Now on this section right here, it's a double story house, but you can see here we're sitting at probably about 3 meters ceiling height at the base of the vault. As we go up to the top here, you can see right up there we're looking probably about 4.5, 5.5 meters. So I'll show you guys why this ladder is so awesome. So on the base of the vault here, you simply press the little buttons on top. That'll open up to the A-frame. It locks in place. Now this one here is at 1.4 meters in height, so it's not too bad. What I like about it is this top platform here is nice and flat, so it makes it real easy to stand up. You've got full balance and control, nice and comfortable. I'm sitting at 1.8 meters tall, so this for me is perfect height here. I can get into those ceiling and cut in the corners nice and easy. If you are shorter, then you can open it up as an A-frame once again and extend that up. So with this section here, it's probably about 3.5, 4 meters. What we can do, you close up the ladder so it's sitting nice and flat. We've got some buttons on the side here. You click them all in, lift up the ladder from the center, and it's got different stopping points. So you can stop that wherever you feel comfortable. Lock it all in place. And then you can press your buttons, or you can press them beforehand if you're not tall enough. Open that one there up as a nice A-frame once again, and now we can get up nice and easy, do all the work. Personally, once it's this high, I don't like to stand on top, but you can always turn around, get nice and comfy, and now we can cut in nice and easy, and it makes your job just that much better. So now with this section here up on the ceiling, it's probably about 5 meters, so I might not need the full length. We'll clip this one back in. I'll drop it down just one minute. And then we can open this one here up as an A-frame. Once again, we click the buttons nice and easy. I love these buttons because they're so easy to deal with. You can open up your ladder and open it up as an A-frame. Being careful not to hit the lights. Now this property here is being painted, so I'm not too concerned at the moment about any kind of scuff marks. You can always put some padding on the back of your ladder. It's also got wheels on it, so it makes it nice and easy to cart around. Make sure everything's nice and locked, and you can climb up super easy up onto the wall here. We can do our work. If I was working on this section here, I'd extend it up just once more, but you can see just how easy this ladder is to use, nice and versatile. So another awesome feature about this ladder is its ability to work on stairs, and what I mean by that is obviously with the staircase it's not a level platform. So in this case here we can open it up as an A-frame And you can see there, if we drop it down one side and up onto another, it's no longer sitting level. This side here is up nice and straight, but as soon as I try and climb up on this, I'm going to transfer all my weight over to that side, and it's not very safe to do so. So what you can do in this case here is we can adjust only one side of the legs. So we'll click this side here, bring our ladder back until it's sitting nice and level, click it back in place. And you can see there now everything's sitting nice and level. So now we can easily climb up the ladder, sitting nice and level, do whatever work that needs to be done. This ladder is extremely sturdy. Clip our vertical blind here into place. And now we can install our slats. So you can see just how comfortable it is to stand on this ladder. The platforms are nice and wide, making it easy so you don't get much fatigue and you've got a good grip. So there you have it, guys, just a quick video to show you why I absolutely love this ladder. It's one of the most versatile and durable ladders that I've come across. Rather than having a whole bunch of different ladders and I'm not sure which one I need to take, this one here is always on the back of my truck, ready to go. It does weigh in at about 15 kilos, so it might be a bit heavy for some people. It's not too bad for me, it's actually reasonable, but there are a set of wheels on the base here, which means you can lean it over and just wheel it around nice and simple if you are concerned about the weight. But hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. I wasn't sponsored by the company. I've got no affiliation with them whatsoever. So if you guys are wondering whether or not I was paid to do this review, no, I wasn't. If they'd like to pay me, I definitely won't say no. But this was just to help you guys out so that when you go out there and buy one ladder, it will hopefully be the last ladder you'll ever need to buy. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video and you've learned something new. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.